In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a wall shelf with the slope support in the bottom. Okay. First of all, we have to prepare this existing wall. We can set any size and any thickness as proportional as possible. Okay, so then we can make the wall shelf with a rectangle anyway. We can make the wall shelf just with dimension around 1 meter and 45 millimeter for thickness, and then we have to push it forward. When we have to push it forward, maybe around 300 millimeter only. So, and then we have to make it group anyway. And after that, we can make the basic shape with the rectangle again over there. Then we have to push it to forward just a little bit for the frame thickness, and then we can make group, and then we can rotate it. Start from here, and we can rotate it until this position. Okay, and then we can push it to the front again. We can push it up. And then we can just uh, okay. So then okay we can adjust this support with the line anyway. So and then we can adjust the connection. Okay. Okay, and then we can adjust the connection between the shelf and the frame support itself. Okay, just like this. So and then we can select this frame support, create, and then you can select a move and press control, and then we can duplicate it in this position. So and then we can just uh, maybe we can move it a little bit to the left side, just a little bit around 139. Again, then we can move it 139 also from left to the right, and then we can make the curvy corner over there to the two corner in this position. Okay, and then we can push it down anyway. Okay, so then we can select all and make material with material. Maybe we can use this material anyway. So and it's done anyway. Okay, and maybe we can make another shelf, just a little shelf in here anyway. So then we have to push it to the front just a little bit until like this position. Okay, we can set it and we can adjust it again. Okay, then we can adjust it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.